This is my first Texas hailstorm. Look at this. This is amazing. It's like a river of ice going outside. Now the rain is starting. Look at the river going down there. It's all ice and water. Lots of lightning. There's a tornado watch right now for all of central Texas counties. And I've lived in Texas for about 3 years, and this is the first time I've ever seen hail like this. Although it has happened in San Marcos, and they lost a bunch of cars and dealerships. It's pretty amazing though. Looks like it's let up for now, but you can see the cars down there. Can't tell from the video, but those cars are pummeled and have all kinds of damage on them from the hail. So see the lightning. Yeah. People are coming out to check out the damage on their cars right now. Okay, here comes more hail. Whole another section of hail coming now. Just bounced off my arm. These trucks that are going down this road are going to get nailed. It looks like everyone's trying to find a place to cover. Can't really see it too well, but at that gas station across there, the entire deck is have people maneuvering to try to protect their cars from the hail underneath it. That's the Diamond Shamrock on Hunter's Chase and Pond Springs. More lightning, more thunder. It's pretty amazing. I've always wondered what hail was like in Texas. All the other counties seem to get it more, but this is definitely remarkable. I don't know if you can hear the sound or not, but it's pretty brutal. See the water coming down, the ice. Someone's running out to their car now to move it. His car is totally pummeled. Don't know if his windshield is broken or not. There's someone coming in. Their car has dents all over the roof. So it looks like the auto insurance companies are going to be very, very busy. So, alright. Thanks for viewing this. This is my first video on YouTube, so I want to share this with you. Alright, this is Lance White, tuning out. Bye.